Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to install the VirtualBox. Firstly, we search the VirtualBox in the browser. Then we came to the official website. We can see from the website there are Windows version, macOS version, and the Linux version. I'm going to download the Windows version as I'm using a Windows operating system. Now, please pause the video, open your browser on your computer, and download the right version of VirtualBox. We have downloaded the installer. We click the installer, then click Run. We see the setup wizard. Click Next. We don't change the default settings. Click Next. Yes to this warning. Then we click Next to continue the installation. We see this warning, we click Install. Then we have finished the installation of the VirtualBox. We can see that's the interface of the VirtualBox Manager. Okay, that's all of this video. We are going to see how to install the Ubuntu in the next video. Hey guys, in this video we are going to install Ubuntu. Firstly, search Ubuntu and go to the official website ubuntu.com. Then, under the download table, we can see Ubuntu Desktop. The current version is 18.04 LTS. LTS here stands for long-term service. Now we click this button to start the downloading. The image file is about 2 GB, so it takes a couple of minutes to download. Now please pause the video, go to the Ubuntu official website and start downloading. Once the downloading finishes, we open the VirtualBox to create a new machine. Click the New button and give it a name. Say we call it Ubuntu 18.04, and then click the Next button. I would change it to 2048. That's 2 GB for the memory size, and then use the default settings. Click Create. Click Next, and then change it to fixed size. Click Create the new machine. Then a new virtual machine is being created. A bit more patience, then the creating has finished. Okay, we go back to the VirtualBox and click the Start to start the new machine. It asks us to locate the image file we just downloaded. Click Start. Okay, looks everything goes well so far. We just need to be patient. We see this orangey background. It asks us to try or to install. We click Install. And then the default language setting, we don't change it. We don't change this default settings. Click Continue, and then continue again to install. Don't change the location. Click Continue, and it asks us to input your username and set a password. I would change it to log in automatically so I don't need to enter the password every time. During this time, you will see a couple of introduction of the new features of the Ubuntu. You can review this or go back to your browser just to learn something about Ubuntu if you are new to Ubuntu. Finally, we finished the installation. It asks us to restart. We click the restart button. I have no idea with this black screen, so what to do now? Probably just try to close the machine and restart to see what's going on. I hope everything goes well now. Everything looks good now. We just read or ignore these hints. The only thing not so good is you see the desktop is just too small in the center. So I did some homework. We need to click this button under the devices menu and then click run. It asks us to input the password. And just a bit more patience. Once it finishes the installation, we just close this window. Everything looks good now. If you are new to Ubuntu, you can click this 9-dot button in the very bottom left, and then you can go through these applications or try whatever you want. Say we try to change the wallpaper of the Ubuntu desktop. It asks us to install some update. Just click install now, and we try to drag this picture into the Ubuntu. We input the password. We try to drag it again, and we see this little red circle in the bottom right, which means we don't have the right to drag into. We need to try something. Go to the settings. Under the advanced table, we see there are shared clipboard and drag and drop. We change them into bi-directional and click OK. And try to drag the picture again. Still doesn't work. Probably we need to try to restart the computer to see what happens. Great, we come back. Try it again, and we see these two icon overlap, so the Ubuntu desktop is not perfect. We don't need this anymore. We eject this disk. And then right click on the picture and click set as wallpaper. It works. I think we are going well so far. We don't need this picture. We drag it into the bin, and then we can try the web browser. Just click the Firefox web browser. You can use your own web browser as well, or try the file manager. Great! By now, the Ubuntu 18.04 has been successfully installed. See you in the next video.